So we get questions about lavender in containers. Wanted to take a few moments and kind of walk through the process. The bad news first, no lavender likes containers. However, some will tolerate it better than others if you keep ahead so it doesn't know it's in a container. So really well drained potting mix, really light and fluffy that drains quickly is the kind of the foundation to what you need. And then the variety, so the smaller growers, the mini blue, the elegance pink, elegance purple, the lady lavender, they're going to be a much smaller plant, so a little bit easier to do in containers in the sense of won't outgrow the container very quickly. Once it knows it's in a container, it gets pot bound and dies pretty quickly. So you do want to avoid the larger varieties, the Grosso, the Fat Spike, the Provence, the Phenomenal, even the Hidcote and the Munstead really that do get pretty big. Stick to those smaller varieties, and then the slower that you step it up, the healthier and easier the plant's going to be to care for. So from this little 4-inch pot into something like a 6-inch, once it's outgrown that in a few months, then you'll step it up to this one here, the 10-inch container. It'll live in that for probably about 8 to 10 months kind of thing, depending on the season of the year. And then you'll up pot that from a 10-inch into about a 14-inch. So lavender in containers is a little bit more work. It is much easier in the ground, put them in there and on grow. But if you have to have it in a container, that would be some tips to help you succeed. So hopefully that helps you out, and we look forward to seeing you soon.